Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Mega Cloud Drive not loading issues in 2026. If your cloud drive stays blank, keeps loading forever, or fails to display your files and folders, this guide will help you solve the problem step by step. First, check your internet connection and make sure it is stable. A weak or interrupted connection can prevent Mega from loading your cloud drive properly. Next, refresh the page or restart the Mega application. Temporary loading issues can often be resolved with a simple restart. Now sign out of your Mega account and sign back in. This refreshes your session and can fix account-related loading problems. If you're using the web version, clear your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted browser data is a common cause of cloud drive loading issues. Next, try opening Mega in a different browser or an incognito window. This can help determine whether the problem is caused by browser settings or extensions. Now temporarily disable VPN services, proxy settings, and browser extensions that may interfere with Mega's connection. Next, make sure your browser and operating system are updated to the latest versions for maximum compatibility. If you're using the desktop application, verify that you're running the latest version of the Mega app. Now check your account storage and sync status. In some cases, account-related issues can affect how files and folders are displayed. Finally, wait a few minutes and try again, as temporary server-side problems can occasionally prevent the cloud drive from loading correctly. And that's it. You've successfully fixed Mega Cloud Drive not loading issues. Your files and folders should now appear normally, and your cloud drive should load without problems. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.